Futures and options on futures trading involve substantial risk and is not a suitable investment for all types of investors. Past results are not necessarily indicative of future results. When I use the word I in this video, it refers to what I teach in my charting course or what I author in my twice daily oral and written updates. Prices shown on charts and quote boards are in real time and take into account all known activity up to this point in time. And if you'd like to read more of this disclaimer, simply hit the pause key on your video player. Good day, everyone. Ira Epstein of Linn & Associates with your metals market update for April 11th, 2017, just getting on to 2:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. All right, my friends, a volatile trading day, a breakout in the metals. Do you remember the platinum was just down $25, up 30 now? All the metals moving higher, with the exception of copper, which is sort of laying down here, trying to figure out what to do next, as a lot more copper has come back on the market. But there's fear. And the fear is circulating about North Korea, Syria, the situation with Russia, Rex Tillerson meeting with his counterpart, Lavrov, in Russia. Where's that going to go? I hear that he is not going to meet with Putin, that is our Secretary of State, Tillerson. But you never know. You know, they go back a way, so you don't know that they won't have a meeting at some point. Dollar index getting hurt at the expense of a number of currencies that picked up strength on it. So here's the gold, back up to, been there, done that. Will it be able to follow through? And that's going to be the big question for the market. I say the bulls have the day. You've had a bullish crossover. Now let me show you. Here, watch the red line. This is how the market finished on Friday. And as you can see, both numbers were the same. With today's action, you've got your bullish crossover. So as long as that stays in place, I would not be surprised that you're not headed towards the upper Bollinger Band of 1293.60. And folks, you haven't hit an upper Bollinger Band since a year ago, July. Unbelievable it's taken that long. Okay, that's the closest one to us. When we take a look at an area chart of closes, you've now gone from 1248 to 1274.20. Yes, that's going to be where the market's going to settle, 74.20. You can see how we've lifted up out of everything, and because of that, we have higher lows, higher highs. This market's fully in the bull camp. It's over the 18-day average of closes, which now is over the last swing line low, but it's over the upper Bollinger Band. So two things have to happen, one of two at least. Either the market stays above the 18-day average and keeps pushing out on the Bollinger Band, or the market pulls back into the Bollinger Band, and then the question is, how far does it pull back within the Bollinger Band? Right now, this market is outside of it in an overbought condition. That doesn't mean it can't break out to the upside. There's no reason to be anything but friendly. However, if you're looking to put on a new position in the market, you got to realize you're overbought. What are the odds of staying over an upper Bollinger Band? 5% of the time. Now that you're over it today, 4% or right in that area. Wow, that's a little dangerous. So I think you're going to see pros trying to buy breaks, but I don't know if they'll chase the rally. Same thing goes with the ETF. Nothing bearish on these charts at all. If they want to go, they can go. But understand, you only stay over an upper Bollinger Band 5% of the time. And when the market does this, it always looks its best. And then inevitably, you can be hurt. See this back here too. So I always tell people, listen, cover the name of the chart, forget the events of the day. Do you want to be a buyer over an upper Bollinger Band? If you do, God bless you. Doesn't mean you can't get the type of pattern here that you don't get opportunities under that number, and that's what I'd be looking for. In the gold miners, break out to the upside. So the question is, can it pop? The important thing is there's no bearish signals other than you're overbought. Got it? And that's the key. The gold-silver ratio, well, finally silver gained back a little on gold. Now, it's lost a lot of ground to it. Takes a lot to lose that much to the gold on this bounce. We'll have to see how it acts on the reaction. And as you can see, silver got back over the 18-day average. But on this chart, unlike gold, you have a pattern of a higher high, a lower low. Obviously, the 18-day average is your battleground. You came down for it here, here, and here. So 3 days in a row, you've been challenging that area. You're still overbought. Hard market to want to do much in. Same in the silver ETF, SLV. Market's got the higher high, lower low, overbought condition. Copper market still bearish. As you can see, lower highs, you had a higher low, and all of a sudden today you got the lower low. So it is a clear-cut pattern of bearishness. The question I have is the 18-day average going to cross under the 100? And you already know that that's the resistance zone. So I think the pros are going to be looking at that area as an attack zone. In the platinum, you were down dramatically yesterday. Let me get to this. Here you go. I want to get to this day right here. You have an outside day up on Friday. If you take out that day's low, the nearest support levels, the Bollinger Band, the way that I have it, market goes to it. Market's down $22.60 for the day. Today the market's up $30.50. If you didn't take your opportunity, there is my point. You were left high and dry. And that's the importance of Bollinger Bands, really, really personified, is to the importance of trading against them and understanding sometimes what to do. You don't have to do that, obviously, but if you're a fan of theirs and a follower of them, you're paying attention. When we come to the palladium market, you just seem to be stuck here at the 18-day average, not doing much of anything one way or the other. In the dollar index, do you now believe the resistance of the green line, the 100-day average in the upper Bollinger Band? If you're long, you were saying to yourself now, gee, I wish I'd have gotten out up there. I could be looking at the market down here. And that, again, is learning how this stuff all works together. Now, today you're seeing the stock market down. Bonds and notes, by the way, up sharply on the day. You're noticing the dollar off and the metal markets up strong. So something's going on with the idea of people saying to themselves, is this a risk-off type environment? Maybe protection? Well, that could be it. I want to show you the articles right now in Modern Trader magazine. This is the May issue. You haven't seen me show you this yet. Euros, elegant risk, curve flatness. Here's the chalk and oscillator with all the different graphs. How do you work with it? How do you apply the different studies? Why would you even do it? What would you use it with? Patterns within patterns. These are different articles all going through there. And remember, this is a $79 value that we're able to offer you with the grace of Modern Trader for free. It's through them that we do it, but if you go to their website, you're going to pay for it. So there is a difference there. I guess we've been with them long enough where they know we bring them a lot of good customers. You can see the different articles, buy AXP, buy WFC, options, earnings, the different cycles, spin-offs, FX, chart patterns, COT, which is commitment of traders, all these different, if you will, categories to see. And you can see it's not just limited to the futures market. How do you get it? Let me explain. You're going to give us a call at 866-973-2077. You're also going to get daily market focus, which are the day-to-day stories. You can go to our website. You'll see a carousel of free offers. Just click on there, fill out the form. We'll take it the rest of the way for you. Or if you're watching me on YouTube, you can even click on the icon I'm pointing to there. The forms will appear. Fill them out. We'll get it to you. $79 value for free. What's holding you up? I'm Ira Epstein. Let's hear from you.